G'day champions, it's time for non-alcoholic beverage review for Dry July, number 6. And today we've got Vimto, whatever that is. So again, I have on purposely not researched it. It's made in the UK. You blokes in the UK probably know all about it. To me it sounds like a online payment platform of some sort, like let me Vimto it to you. I don't even know what colour it is. It's got berries all over it, so I guess it's really sweet. Let's have a look. Ooh, looks maybe pink or purple. I'll try not to spill it all over my keyboard this time. Oh, I can smell it from here. It smells like raspberry. Sort of it's hard to make out there, but it's sort of a pinky purpley colour. Carbonated. Just tastes like raspberry, mainly raspberry. 15%, no, 4.6% sugar. So that's not too bad compared to some of them. Yeah, it's not bad. I could have that one. It's bitey. Since 1908. Wow, didn't know they had berries back then. So yeah, Vimto. I don't know, it's just a soft drink. Tastes a little bit bubblegummy in the aftertaste there. It's not bad. I think it's got a mixture of sugar and artificial sweeteners, sucralose, yeah. So they're knocking back the sugar a bit so it doesn't give you bloody diabetes, but then they're bringing it back up with some artificial sweeteners further down the list. You can taste and they sort of give you that weird feeling in the back of the throat, the artificial sweeteners. Yeah, it's alright. Wouldn't write home about it, but say that's a 5 out of 10. Maybe a 6. Well, you know, I'm not a sweet tooth, so whatever. Yeah, so thanks again for all your donations, all your kind comments. There was a few people that really offered some good messages of support when I was thinking about stopping doing them, and a lot of people that shared their experiences, not only with cancer, but with alcohol as well. And a lot of people, one bloke from Poland even said that I've inspired him to have a go at quitting the drink again. So, man, some of those comments almost bloody brought me to tears. Well, they did. But yeah, it's pretty amazing. You can just be some dickhead on the other side of the planet drinking sugary drinks and you've inspired someone to stop drinking. Pretty amazing. So thanks for watching, legends. I'll just keep this one short since we've got like 20 something more of them to do. And I've just ordered friggin' $100 worth of non-alcoholic beers. So one of them is that milk stout I was talking about, so I'll give you the lowdown on that, see if it's changed at all or see if it's still good, and a bunch of other stuff. So join us for that one, or those ones. See you then.